Hello to all of my dear YouTube friends. We're going to do a quick little short on replacing the cover on an outdoor outlet. The screws that hold the outlet into the box, it's a fiberglass box, have stripped out. There's an outdoor cover on it that doesn't function quite as I would like. And I'm in Florida. So it's nice and warm. So let's get to work. As you can see, here is our outlet. The screws are out of it. Pull it out here a little bit. I've turned off the power. I hope. I couldn't find the tester I wanted. There is the fiberglass box set into the masonry, and the hole is stripped out, and holy shit suddenly for ants. So here's the cover. It's kind of a weird flippy dippy deal. I should have brought my tripod. I did not. But this should be an easy fix. We can reuse the outlet that's here, so there's no real futzing with the wiring. It's just removing the cover. We're going to replace it with this guy here. This is kind of a nice old school spring-loaded. You got two covers. I like these. And we'll get this guy in place and get this fixed up. I do not have my microphone or any of the regular stuff, so hopefully I am speaking at a volume that you can hear me all right. First, we're starting off, we're going to pull off the old cover. The outlet really does look like terrible. So, being these holes are stripped out, I picked up some number 8 by 1 inch sheet metal screws at the local Ace Hardware here. Wonderful folks there, very helpful. I'm hopeful that the thread and such on these, the size is increased enough from the old screws that they'll bite firmly in to that old fiberglass box. Boy, not in the mood for an outlet replacement, but this one has been painted and it looks very, very shabby. We'll screw this guy in here. So I'm staying at an Airbnb of one of my fans. They said they'd cut me a deal. These screws worked very well into that fiberglass box of getting that in there nicely. Next, we've got a foam seal. Hopefully that foam seal will deter whatever's going on with all of these tiny ants, because I'm not interested in that. Okay, we'll get that set into place, and it fits and covers up the nastiness of the old stuff that was there. These are very springy, so we gotta coordinate holding these. There's the screw that is needed for that. I'll go to work here, work it into that foam seal. I pushed out the little cutout for both of the outlets, as you can see. Take my screwdriver here, and then we'll work that guy in and make it just snug. Voila. It's not absolutely perfect, but now, as you use the outlets, you just open the individual doors there. They've got very nice seals on them. And we're done with this weird floppy business that I was not keen to. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll have a couple of other little helpful videos here from the lovely state of Florida. Remember, subscribe, like, follow, all the good stuff.